Stop scrolling right now. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. This specific C-mite just most satisfying is proving to be super practical for everyday use. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple. The design is pure genius. It brings professional level utility straight to your hands. You will absolutely love how it makes your daily routine effortless. It saves you energy, money, and unnecessary headaches from day one. It is truly a premium solution without the heavy premium price tag. Thousands of buyers are obsessed with it before it's completely gone. Stop scrolling right now. This hidden gem is going